Hey guys, welcome back to Call Me After Coffee. Bree here. I just wanted to quickly film my collections video. I was gonna film me setting these up. I'm not 100% done, but I figure since I'm officially using this journal now, I'll just go ahead and show you what I've got so far. So what I decided to do, because before I had my future log in the front of the book, and I was always flipping from one end to the other end to one end to the other end. So what I decided to do this time was do my future log in the back. I still did it. I did a year one because I like the look of a full year, even though I'll probably only get 6, I think maybe 8 months is what I got out of the last one. But I like to have something that I can write in things that are like far ahead. I don't add to these month to month to month, but if something comes up like a month or two from now or like weeks out from now or something, then I will put it back here. So I started in June because that's when the journal starts, and I just went through a full 12 months, so until next May. And then what I did here is I coded all of like the days off or holidays or whatever in black, the anniversaries in blue, and birthdays in green, just to kind of like at a glance I know exactly what I need to write down. And then I usually just add the rest of the stuff in just in pencil because it's easy. And then moving back, there's a blank page here and here because I have my TV and movies, which I've marked with a little tab here, so I can just flip back to here when I need this page. Last time I had lime green for everything. This time I'm going to color all of the TV in like an aqua color, all of the movies in like a mauvey pinky color. Clearly we have not gone to the theater in a little bit, and also these are all of the shows carried over from my last journal that I hadn't finished. So these are the ones I'm currently working on, and then all the ones that are done are just left in the other one. This will be my bookshelf, like the books that I've read and books that like my wish list. I haven't figured out what I want to do with this page yet. I want to draw a bookshelf, I just haven't taken the time to do it. So eventually when I get that done, I'll post it on Instagram or something to show you what I did. It's not going to be like original, lots of people draw bookshelves, it's just I haven't done it. YouTube growth tracker, also not sure how I'm setting this page up. I probably just do squares like I did last time, unless I think of something cute to do. I haven't posted in a couple months, so I don't have anything on here yet because I'm not sure what I want to do with that. This is an online orders thing. I'm on like a permanent no spend, but I decided I would keep this page in just for the odd thing that I do buy. Like sometimes I buy washi tape off AliExpress or whatever, but I don't do a lot of shopping these days because we're trying to get finances in order and all that fun stuff. This is my wish list page, which you'll see is right next to the debt repayment page, because if you keep them side by side, your wish list stays a lot tinier, but occasionally I do want things or want to save for things, so I have that there. And then the black bar, I kept that there because that's a big deal to me. I paid off that entire chunk, so now I'm just chipping away at these things. And so these are black because that's where I started in this journal, and then I'll go back to filling them out in blue like I did in my old journal. I want to just write out some like little home workouts. I haven't done a lot of working out lately, but I figure I'll kind of write down different groupings of things that I do as I make them up, just so I have something to look at if I can't think of what I want to do that day, just like a few sets of things to do at home. I liked the yearly tracker I had in my last journal because it was nice to see the pattern at a glance, so I'm going to do that again. And that is it. As I said, I don't have a lot of collections. I mean, sometimes I'll add things in here, like if I want to do pen swatches or something. I'm not moving the entire Crayola thing over here. I'll refer to the old journal if I want to really look at all the colors at a glance. Same with my Tombows or whatever. I may add those at some point somewhere. But that is how I set up my new journal. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you all soon. Thanks so much. Bye!